Hey my loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you've never been here before, my name is Kristen. So I'm going to show you in this video how I achieved this blue New Year's glam look. So if you'd like to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you want to. No pressure. So anyway, I'm going to go in with my Revolution concealer. And I'm just going to blend that out onto my eyes. This is in the color C1. I always use this as my primer. It just works really well because it dries down really matte and dry. Then I'm going in with my Sultry Palette at this color called Bloom. This is going to be my transition shade. I know it looks like really pinkish, but it works really well as a transition shade. I'm just going to go ahead and blend that right into my crease and a little bit above my crease. Next color I'm going in with is called Dystopian, still in that Sultry palette, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that into my crease right below the color that I used before called Bloom. Next I'm going in with this black shadow called Noir, and I'm just going to blend that on my outer V, and I'm going to bring that out a little bit. With the other two colors above this one, I brought them out a little farther so I can make it a little bit more dramatic. After that, I'm going in with my Box of Crayons eyeshadow palette. I'm going in with the color Blue. It has some shimmer in it. It's really pretty, and I just want to put this on before I put my glitter on so that if there was any holes in the glitter that you wouldn't see my eyelid, you would see blue. And since this had a little bit of sparkle, I thought that it went really well with it. So I'm just going to go ahead and pat that on my eyelid. Taking my NYX Glitter Primer, I'm just going in over the blue shadow that I put with an eyeshadow brush and just applying that all over where I put the blue shadow. After I apply that primer, I'm going straight in with this blue glitter from NYX. I'm not sure what the color is called, but I will put everything that I used down below in the bottom bar. Anyway, I'm just going to take that and pat that all over that primer that I put all over my eye earlier. Next, I'm going back in with that Noir shadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend those two together just so it doesn't look like there's a disconnect. Then I'm going in with my Master Prime by Maybelline and priming my face with it. So I finally got to try this NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. I've heard really good things about it. The foundation is really good. I just got the wrong undertone. I got dark cool, and I really need dark neutral because this is not, I don't know, it just didn't look right to me, but I went ahead and put it on anyway and then kind of fixed it with my concealer. It's just like, I don't know, I don't have a cool undertone, so it didn't look right to me. Going in with my Colourpop No Filter Concealer, I'm just going to conceal just a triangle part under my eyes, and then going down my nose with it, and my forehead and my chin. And then after that, I'm going with my Maybelline Age Rewind, and I'm going in under that because it's a little bit lighter just so I can brighten up my under eye. And then I'm just going to blend all of that out with my Beauty Blender. I needed to go in with a lighter color because this color, I was just trying to correct the coolness that, I don't know, this foundation is just too cool, so I was trying to correct that and then also brighten up my under eye because I look tired. After I get that all blended in, I'm going with my Colourpop No Filter setting powder, and I'm just going to set underneath my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I probably let this bake for no more than about 2 minutes. I don't really like to bake. It's just not my thing. I haven't figured out how to make it work for me, so I just don't do it. Then I'm going to go in and dust all that off with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deepest Dark. I wasn't going to contour, but I'm going to go in with my bronzer contour hybrid type thing, and kind of like warm up my face a little bit, because I usually when I do contour I use a cool shade so it looks more shadowy, but since I had a cool dark shade on, I couldn't contour. It didn't look right. So then I'm gonna pop on these lashes, and then I'm spraying my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter spray and going into my Hyper Real Glow palette from MAC. I'm using this color right here. And I'm just going to highlight all the high points of my face, my cheekbones, my nose. I don't do my entire bridge of my nose. I just use the top part of my nose and the little ball on my nose. I'm doing my chin and my forehead also. After that, I like to go back in with my beauty blender and make it look all blended in with my damp sponge. It just makes it look better. And then I go ahead and spray my face one more time. I'm going in with some more highlighter and putting that in the corners of my eyes just to make them look more open. So I'm using my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Lip Liner in the color 1993. And over that, I'm going to put my gloss, my Hi-Fi Urban Decay gloss in 1993 over that. I just wanted my lips to be more muted because I wanted my eyes to be the center of attention. And that's pretty much it for this look, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you have a super happy new year, and I will see you guys in the next video next year. Bye!